Children, we are doing activity for water climbs up. For that, we can take another activity. You can see here, I have taken a bowl and I have added some color into the water. And I have taken a piece of chalk and I'm going to dip it like this, leaving it into the standing position. Let's keep this for 1 or 2 hours and we'll see what happens to it after some time. See children, I left it for 2 hours approximately and you can find out that it is wet from the top also. And you can observe even it has got wet from here also. You can see the color has climbed up and the whole chalk has got wet. I'll show you the other one also so that you could compare it with the other. You see this chalk and you can find out the difference in the color. Can you see? One is bit darker. Why it is bit darker? Because water has climbed up and the other is dry. So from here also we come to know that water climbs up. Children, we have done this activity. They have used ink, I use different color. You can also use different colors to add to the water. Also children, you can take a glass of water and means you can fill it less than half and you keep adding mud to it, and after a few means you fill the glass with the mud and you will find out gradually it starts going up in the mud. So that also shows that water climbs. Also children, we were talking about the solution here. While working with the liquids, we found out when we added milk to the water, it became turbid. Turbid means धुंधला सा हो जाता है. It does not get dissolved completely into it. It does not gives the clear mixture. If it gives a clear mixture, then it is called a solution. Otherwise, it is called suspension. So when we add milk to it, milk to the water, it is called suspension. Same way, if we add curd or lassi, that does not make the clear solution, clear mixture. So that is called suspension. But when we add salt or sugar to the water, you found that it got mixed completely and the solution became clear. So that's why that was called solution. Hope children you have understood. So enjoy doing the activities and attempt the workbook work 2. Good day children. Bye bye.